Today, we're going to take beef and pasta to a new level. We're doing Italian meatballs with creamy, rich Italian marinara sauce, pasta, mushrooms, and lots of cheese. So let's get cooking. Okay, the moment of truth. Love all the garlic in the meatballs, the noodles, the cheese, really delicious. You know, I enjoy sharing recipes with you, and I hope you come back again next time to Everyday Eats with Ellen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notifications so you'll know every time when I put a new recipe out.